Now I have I have assigned x equals 3, y equals 1. So let us look at the first if statement. If x is less than y, now this condition, is it true or false? When x is equal to 3, y equal to 1. No condition. The magic true or false? This is false. Because x is 3, y is 1. So this is false because 3 cannot be less than y. Although this branch will be neglected. So neglect next we'll move to the else if statement. Else if x greater than y. Now let us look at this condition. Is this condition true or false? True. Now this condition is true, therefore its body will be executed. My body ni kamai khangi because it is indented. So space mari laitra. Space mari laika. It is indented, therefore this is the body of this else if statement, and the last statement is the body of this else statement. So this second condition is true, therefore the second statement will be executed. So let me run this program. Run. The second statement, x is greater than y, is executed. See, okay. So this is simple, clear what I've got. So see the ELIF, E-L-I-F. ELIF ELIF is an abbreviation of else if Here there are 3 branches. So again, exactly one branch will run. There is no limit on the number of else if statements. If there is an else clause, it has to be at the end, but there doesn't have to be one. So the branches, but I can have many branches using more and more elif and laga. Elif statement aduga this else statement, it may not be as it may be absent in some cases. See, else is some cases the absent will go. But if you really want to use the else statement, you have to use it only at the last. If elif mayam yagani aduga quite last else is if you really want to use the else statement, it should be at the last part of the program. Now, each condition is checked in order. If the first is false, the next is checked. If the next second is false, the third is checked, and so on. If one of them is true, the corresponding branch runs and the statement ends. First is if the first condition is true, then the corresponding body will be executed, and the remaining statements will be neglected. If one of them is true, the corresponding branch runs and the statement ends. Next, even if more than one condition is true, only the first true branch runs. If elif mayam lerekasu matang sum lakpada quite first true thenagi taragadi magi corresponding body to run torani makata ko true ko be yorgosu ko neglect tawkhani ko aduni hairisi ko. Concept is very simple ni. Next, nested conditionals. Condition amagi manungda among yawba. If sigi manungda if among yawshila ko. One conditional can be nested within another. Amagi manungda among option ba. We could have written the example in the previous section like this. Sigi x ko y ko kanana chaw we have a program. So we could have written it in a different way like this. So you assign 3 to x, 4 to y. So x equals 3, y equals 4. So that's if x is equal to y, if this condition is satisfied, this statement will be executed. Now x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Therefore, C condition satisfied. What is the value of this Boolean expression? True or false? X the 3 ni, y the 4 ni. Therefore, the value of this Boolean expression is false. Therefore, its corresponding body will not be executed. yare ko will not be executed adudi kaidala ani else dala ani else samla adudi ge mo else gi body da else gi body ni ko se say intention mari le ram ni ko sta space mari le rabani therefore sigi else gi body ne ba sigi line mari mak se 1 2 3 4 line mari mak se else gi body ne ba else gi makha da if else ate ambu le bi ar hai du ko aduna sigi same ma pada if else ate ambu le bi ar ya dam elif take am ta le bi ar dam magi body da dism le bi ai ko magi body manung di any number of statements you want amu yang asi x ka y ka manadi harabani na next amu yang x ka y ka manadi harabna false harabna else tala ani ko next if x is less than y if this condition is true x is 3 y is 4 okay this is true then x is less than y this will be printed correct so let us run this program and let us check that the second statement is printed run x is less than y print out record okay if I write x equal to 13 x equal to 13 or the current statement run down out of these three branches which branch will be printed when x is 13 y is 4 x is greater than y right last in a aduna sigi x equal to y this is false adu itadi false or else dala ani else ki body de changani now x less than y this is false so false or na sigi my corresponding else tamla ani else ki body de changani x is greater than y so this will be printed x is greater than y correct this is nothing but simple logic integration of Henry the outer conditional contains two branches
sigi else laga manungi da body makha da line sa hangin sa
oh hayo so else laga makha da line
else ki manung if adugi if kida body manung da mu print na ga intent to ina tro sa sigi sa
to if else ko yori kudingi indent to do ni sizu indent ni ko sizu indent ni if yoro ba ko masagi format to masagi structure to if yoroni condition yoroni colon yoroni indent mari yoroni if else adagi sigi
body amagi manung da adum amuk indent to wa yaba
yai indent se if yori gadi if mangara yoro gadi indent mangara to do if you're putting in Indian town never like no haraga sigi Indian tawrise Indian tawrisi if sigi body ni haine ko aduga sigi Indian tawrisna else sigi body ni haine ko aduna Indian tawdragadi magi body oiroi to never so I should find another if yoksel ene ko aruju Indian town never so whenever you come across if or else you should always indent its body magi body to Indian together ani lak tawru jai ahum lak tawru jai adu gidi if you are khuding taw boda kangadra yani ko
khangani body manung da wara kasu dum
body manung do ga su like if you are taw targadi adu gi if to gi amuk body ama inaba Indian amuk pine C language study bracket one C language study koi bracket one sine ko braces to second bracket to aduna second bracket sigi manung de lai koi body ni ana khnai ko C language study aduga Python dadi ai isugumba if statement amagi body oige haidi Indian lagidaba Indian larigai magi body neba Indian laitragadi mai body oidraba neba yare ko
yes
aduna sidhare the outer conditional contains two branches if haibama else haibama outer ki branch ani kaktani ko the first branch contains a simple statement the simple statement amukak laire print x and y are equal haiba the second branch contains another if statement aduna second branch is the box is second branch ni ko second branch ki manung da if statement amaga mu yaure haine ko the second branch contains another if statement which has two branches of its own aduna sigi second branch ki manung da ai if statement among yaure sigi if statement sigi amuk magi amuk ani branch ani mu leire aduna pulapna there are three branches ko Those two branches are both simple statements, although they could have been conditional statements as well. Hadi keno si manungda amu faida zu if atei mayam matang yar ko yari habni da. So kaiti have. If aniti hen yaw ya have like if ana aduna si kari hare sigi if se akon ba if se this is called a nested conditional. Nested hadi keno ahan ba sigi manungda if amu yaksal ineba. Aduna nested conditional hai sigi manungda yaw reports neba. Sigi manungda another if ama mu faida mu hapsan ba mu yae. Matang hapsan ba yae ba. Aduna amagi manungda amagi manungda amagi manungda ama hap yae. Happy kudingi di ay indent to piga da magi body du da. Body da matam chupa da indent piga da ba. If na hobo jaga du dagi mari space mari tangsa laga magi body du piga da ba matam chupa da. Although the indentation of the statements make the structure apparent, nested conditionals become difficult to read very quickly. Aduna ay sige nesting je if amagi manungda if ama sige manungda mu if ama sige manungda mu if ama matang yamak taragadi confusion laeba. Difficult it might lead to confusion. So it is a good idea to avoid them when you can. Moise avoid to yabagi room leba taragadi avoid to yadragadi upaliti room sina tabu ka. Adudi moise avoid to hai taragadi ay atopam sina tare. Atopam sina didu kaino. What is the other alternative that we have? The other alternative is to use logical operators. Logical operators often provide a way to simplify nested conditional statements. For example, we can rewrite the following code using a simple single conditional. Say I have two codes. Say the program first program second program they perform the same function, but the first one uses nested conditionals. The second one uses logical operators. Same function to program anini nested conditional ga adagi koi logical operators sinabaga. Yenga ziko one by one. Then I assign 2 to x equal 2. So if 0 less than x, have the x greater than, if x is greater than 0, ado itadi magi condition kai lere if statement amagong lere if statement if x is less than 10, ado itadi print x is a positive single digit number. See koi run tore x is a positive single digit number. So x is true 2 niko, x is 2. Therefore, the first condition, x greater than 0 or 0 less than x, this is true. So true ore adu ide magi body is run tawreba. Magi body is manungda another if statement among yawreba. Another if statement is num kari hai no x is less than 10 hai. If x is less than 10, which is again true because x is 2. Therefore, this is again true. So amuka true already magi body is run tawra. This body will be executed and print x is a positive single digit number. Print away. Now let me change this. X equals 12. 12 again. Now x equals 12. If x greater than 0, this condition is satisfied. Yes, this is true. So true or magi body dala magi body da mu if x is less than 10, is this condition satisfied? What is the value of this Boolean expression?
False ta.
False tare. Ado itadi sigi if x less than 10 ki sigi body is true or kan dang execute tawgadabni false or abni si execute tawroi. Ado itadi x the else haibum yawbra yawdre. Else yawdre false haibum matam dari kedore. There will be no output. No output can tolerate. Can tolerate. Correct? Okay. So let us go back to 2. We'll get x is positive single digit number 2. Don't handle like Sigi, the print statement runs only if we make it pass both conditional. Have you kind of condition any true or the print statement execute otherwise it will not be executed. So we can get the same effect with the logical AND operator. A logical AND operator is same effect, same result. X greater than 0, x less than 10. If a number lies between 0 and 10, then we can say that it is a single digit number. 0 is 10 1 to 9. So I can write it using the logical operator. if haga 0 less than x and x less than 10. So here what have we used? X equals 2 sinagram niko. We have used x equals 2. So let us look at the first boolean expression. First boolean expression, x greater than 0. This is true or false?
True.
True. Ko. Adudagi second boolean expression yango. Is this true or false?
True.
True. True ani ko. True ani di n torodi. Adi n get
True tani.
n get ki input ta high ani mo pisaladi the output will be high. Natra. Aduna. So so n operator ki left to true, right to true. Adu orgadi. Adu di true and true di true tare ko. True tare. Therefore, this statement will be executed. So let us run this program. Run. X is a positive single digit number. Yarba. Yariko. Aduga narang Vidyanandana ma hangibudo. Say the kernel have your karino hangibudo. Hangibani ko. Kernel of your karino hangibani. Sigi kernel maram oidana. I sigi cells the x defined to gedana ko. Sigi mamangi cell x defined to gedana. X equals 2 has a mamangi cell when defined to gedana. Although x equals 2 give value is next cell is dum laeva. X equals 2 side defined to give next cell is dum laeva. Definition dum pura laeva ko. It is because of this kernel. See kernel jaina restart the rutar gadi. See mamangi cell run to give man gineva. So pura laeva. Kange ko. See kernel jadum run to ribanina. Adi ay masagi interpreter jadum run to thami banina. X equals 2 na masai assign to give down. Eda makata dum call to we are. So the magi value jadum pura lakaneva. As long as the kernel is running. Correct? So adudagi amu sigi statement sigumba sigi any cancel laga ibi I can write this in a very shorthand like this. If 0 less than x less than 10, print x is a positive single digit number. Sigi n pujan bani ko siju yai. Okay. Next let us look at the last example. This is the last example. Koi minute manga da sungai re minute manga da koi to dauni. Adugo for 1 2 3 sigi makada last example sigi makada le ahum je. These are your homeworks. Homework ahum ni ko. Sigi ahum je yum de inabo kono try to ko. So let us look at the last example first. What is the program doing? The first line is a command. It explains what the program is doing. First line is it is a command. The program is checking whether a given number is odd or even. Odd or even check the program never. So I start with num with a number. I call it. I use the variable num, and then I use the input function. Input function the string phangani string do integer on thoni, and that integer will be stored in the num. Then I divide the num modulo division taroni by 2. And then whatever is the remainder that will be stored in the variable remainder. Remainder 0 taradi, the number is even. If the remainder is not 0, the number is odd. So let me run this program. Input enter and number. Let me write 57. 57 is a, and then I press enter. So 57 is a. The input sina maji 57 string when set int operators na maji int operators na maji string dagi integer convert 57 is stored in the num. Then that num is divided modulo divided by 2. It will give you the remainder. The remainder is stored here. 57 the remainder is 1. Next if statement la remainder si 0 ko manabra hange. Is this true or false? Remainder to 1 like given atra. So this boolean expression is false. Therefore else talani else ki body do execute tarani. So if I run this program again, run, and if I give it a even number and even number pisalaji 36 pisalaji adu orgadi a remainder is 0 tarani ko remainder 0 taramina this first boolean expression is true, therefore the first body will be executed, therefore the number is even. So in printer on idea ji khange ko. So if else adagi if adagi elif sisinaraga sigi 1 2 3 programs do yum the try to over because city if else city practice tawrige haigani practice tawdraga di confusion legani ko aduna han homework si kaino write a python program to print the largest of three numbers using if else statements. If else statements is naraga largest of three numbers do any abc kogesu are xyz kogesu are ko if else statements is naraga largest of three number in a program find on program iro Mathangdana, write a Python program to print the largest odd number among three numbers. And the Muna three number paper largest you have not about odd number or browser check to have number home piramani largest odd number high have even number your more neglect to have Mathangda, write a Python program to check if a given year is a leap year or not. Sizu leap years is chumnagi normal year or agadi 4 na divide to yagadabani aduga 0 0 na lorgadi 0 0 na lorgadi it should be divisible by 400 ko aduna leap year si 4 na divide to yabadu khak nate aigi ngasai gi chahi ji gi aroiba digit ani do say for example 2100 masi degi 80 years later kan 2100 already na 2100 is leap year nate ba because if the last two digits of the year end with 00 it should be divisible by 400 yarba aduna write a program to check if a given year is a leap year or not yare ko 225 tare aduna class lo sunbi yare no kari question hangning ba lady hangba yarani